In this video, I'm going to show you how to get monetized on YouTube in less than 60 days. You can actually start making money for yourself right here on the YouTube platform in less than 60 days, and I will show you exactly what you need to do and exactly how you're going to do it in order to start making money quick and fast on the YouTube platform. Now, if you are interested in this, then you actually want to make sure you actually sit right back, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and watch this video to the very end. Now I'm going to share with you guys six very important things you have to implement in order to start making money on YouTube in less than 60 days. Okay, all right, so now I'm going to jump straight into all of this, and we won't waste any much time, so that you can actually start applying this particular things I'm going to share with you guys, and you can start making money for yourself. Now, the very first one you actually want to do here is to make sure you are understanding the YouTube requirements for monetization. Alright, now this is based on those of you guys that are actually looking to get monetized on YouTube via AdSense, the YouTube AdSense platform, and you need to understand the monetization requirements that are needed in order for you to get monetized. Now this is where you're going to be joining the YouTube Partner Program, and in order to join the YouTube Partner Program, YouTube has said you have to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 12 months, right? For 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 12 months. Now, if you're able to hit this particular number, then you are going to be able to get monetized on YouTube very fast, and you can start making quick money for yourself on the platform. But the question here is, how do you even get monetized as soon as possible here on the platform? This exactly leads me to the number 2 thing, which is you have to start learning how to create high engaging and quality content on the platform, right? Now, if you've seen my video where I shared with you guys a couple of tips on how to get started with your YouTube channel in 2023, you can see that video right here. Then I listed a couple of things, a couple of steps that would help you to start creating very good content, right? Now, once you're able to plan your content strategy, you're able to map out your topics and outlines. Then the next step is to figure out how you can actually start creating high quality content, right? And to create high quality content is not that hard. It is very easy, right? The one major thing you actually need to do is to figure out what you are delivering to your audience in every single piece of video, okay? You need to find out what exactly is the point of value. What is the value you're dishing out here? Now, if you're able to figure out what value you're dishing out in that particular video, the major thing is now to communicate that value extensively in that particular video that you're creating. This way, you have a very good quality content, right? Now, your focus next should now be how to make it quite engaging. And the best way to actually make your content engaging is asking people to comment, asking people to like the video, asking people to subscribe, right? All of these are, those signals that the algorithm pick in order to actually boost your videos and get you more engagement over time. Now, once you're able to actually get people engaged in that video and it's high quality, then it takes you to the next point here, which is it increases your watch time. All right, it increases your watch time. Now, watch time is actually one of the most important aspects of YouTube, because this is the #1 signal that the YouTube algorithm looks at before YouTube is able to push your video to the public audience. Now, when you create a YouTube channel, definitely people who are going to be watching your YouTube channel at the beginning are your close friends or people who you actually share a link to. But it gets to this point where YouTube gets to pick up that particular video, and on the algorithm, it gets to push it out to different people that you do not even know, right? You get to be seen by several people. And one factor that actually helps you to do that is when you have increased watch time. And increased watch time is gotten from when you're able to create a high quality and engaging content, right? So there is a place this is coming from. There's a thread. So make sure you're following up through with the thread in order to get to this point where you're able to increase your watch time with every content you have. Now, with increasing your watch time, you also have to make sure that you are personally seen by every people on the YouTube platform. YouTube have millions of people logging in every day, and beyond you waiting for the YouTube algorithm to actually pick up your content and push it for you, you need to also figure out what exactly you can do on your own end in order to get this video seen by a lot of people. And this is where we look at optimizing your video content. And optimizing your video content is what you actually do to that particular video you have when publishing it on the YouTube platform in order to get it to rank on the first page of search on YouTube. And what this basically means is that when someone actually types on YouTube and does a quick search for something, your name would pop up, right? I have a couple of videos where I have actually been able to rank, and because I'm ranking for this particular keywords, I get a lot of views, and but not just views, but I get a lot of leads that are very qualified and are in need of a particular solution, and I can sell a lot of things to them. Now, the two major tools I use for my YouTube video optimization is vidIQ, and I also use TubeBuddy. Now, these two tools are crazy ass tools for you to use for your video optimization. In short, I use both of them at the same time. I don't opt in for one and leave the other. I use both of them because they all have their own personal uses during the course of optimization of each and every of my content. All right, so we are looking at, you know, from your keyword research to putting in the best title that actually gets you seen, to writing up your description and optimizing it, to your tags on YouTube, and also to your thumbnail design and all. Right, you have to optimize every of this to make sure that you are seen on the YouTube space, right? This is your own quota before the algorithm gets to pick up your content and gets to push you out there to more eyes and to more people that actually see your content, right? So you should make sure you're optimizing your YouTube content as much as you can. Now, if you actually want me to create a video where I would show you how to optimize your YouTube video to rank as number one on every of your content, let me know in the comment section below that yes, Franklin, I want this particular video. Then I'm gonna plan it up and create it for you guys, because I want every one of you guys seeing this particular video to succeed here on the platform. All right, now once you actually have optimized your YouTube content, then the next thing is figuring out how to start building your community. You need to start thinking of building a community of people who would most likely be your fans, right? And beyond building your community, you actually want to figure out where to keep them. For example, I have people in my community who are on my WhatsApp, I have people in my community who are on Telegram, I also have people in my community who are also in my mailing list. I've created several of these channels in order to actually help me to keep in touch with my community, and at the same time, I'm able to communicate effectively with them. Now, the major thing is when I actually get to publish a YouTube video, I get to send out this particular links to the videos to my community. So my community comes over and watches this video first, but at the same time, it sends a signal to YouTube that this video is worth watching, right? All of this you are doing in order to meet up with the YouTube monetization requirements. You get more subscribers, you get more views, and you are most likely to be monetized on the YouTube platform. All right, now once you've done all of this and you are sure you are keeping check of every of these points I've listed right here, the most important thing you also want to make sure that you're doing is diversifying your income sources on YouTube. Beyond YouTube AdSense, YouTube can also make you money via other sources. It could be via affiliate marketing, it could be via selling your own products here and there. All right, you need to think of other sources on YouTube that would make you money. For myself, I have a YouTube channel currently where I have less than 200 subscribers, and I have less than 600 watch hours, but that particular channel has made me over $3,000. This is exactly because I am monetizing from various other sources. I don't need to wait for YouTube to monetize me via AdSense before I get to start making money on that channel. The major thing is I'm optimizing every content to be seen by people in the public and getting more eyeballs for every of the content, meaning that I can actually make sales on every content I publish. So I don't have to be monetized by YouTube before I start making money for myself. Okay, so when YouTube gets to even monetize me and I get AdSense, that is even a plus to the money I'm already making here on the platform. Guys, there is a lot of money to be made, right? There is a lot of money to be made, and you can start making money as soon as possible. Now, if you actually want me to show you exactly how I actually diversify my income sources on YouTube, and also how I'm able to make more money before I'm monetized by YouTube, let me know in the comment section below that yes, you want me to show you this secret on how I do this, and I'm going to think of creating a video for you guys that will help you get started. As well, guys, I have a fast track program for those of you that actually want to get started on YouTube and scale super fast, and this program is where I get to coach you on how to really, get to monetize your YouTube channel, and also how to scale it to the point where you are, making cool cash from this particular space, or about $2,000 and above every other month from this particular space. All right, so if you want to see that video, check in the description, and you can actually access that particular, fast track program. And at the same time, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up right now. Share this video to someone out there that would actually see this interesting and will want to get started with his own YouTube channel as well. At the same time, guys, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions. If you need clarity on whatever you want, I'll reply every of your comments. And do not forget to subscribe and smash on the bell icon so that when I release more videos like this one, you're the first to get notified and you can actually get started for yourself. All right, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.